Hello coders. Let's create the footer section. So, I have added 2 projects with some new styles for the project cards. This makes every card in a row match each other's height. David has a beautiful pattern for this area. I am gonna use a resource named Transparent Texture, which provides amazing background textures like these. I'm gonna use a box component from MUI, which is a super attribute called SX. SX is similar to a style tag, but it let us to style in accordance with the viewport inside the tag itself, which can be done like this. Let's add the texture background to the box. It looks amazing. Now, let's create the footer area. I'm gonna import the footer component, which I have already created with 624 grid system for the better white spacing. Now, I'm going to add some tags to the footer. On the left side, we have a heading and button. On the right side, we are again going to work with grid. MUI has its own list component which contains list items inside it, in which I'm gonna add some tags and a title at the top. The list items has some padding around it. I am just gonna remove the padding at the left alone. Fine, let's add the footer text at the bottom. Yeah, we have done it. It is an absolute picture. Okay, let's take a big step and start building the studio page from the next video. Subscribe and see you on the next video.